that will test your skills in communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. It's hot. You will be working in groups to create a presentation on a topic of your choice. Remember, the key to success is how will you apply the 4 C's. Now, please make a small circle.
Using any topic, any idea?
How about we do something about climate change? We can come up with creative solutions to reduce our carbon footprint in school.
That's a great idea, Christian. But let's think critically. What specific aspect of climate change can we realistically address in our presentation?
I agree. To make this work, we need to collaborate effectively. Let's divide the task based on our strengths.
We can focus on the creative situations. Christine, you can research and analyze the data. And Nico, you can coordinate our efforts and make sure we stay on track. I'll handle the communication aspect, ensuring anticipation clear and engaging.
Some alarming statistics about our school and some really to highlight this in our presentation.
I've got some ideas for this one that will really grab people's attention. How about a before and after scenario showing the impact of our focus solutions?
We're on track, but let's make sure we allocate enough time for rehearsal.
The presentation to start with a problem, then present our solution and end with a call to action.
We need to practice our presentation.
Oh yeah, that's right. Can you explain data in clear terms? Okay, try to break it down further and use more examples.
We need to make sure everyone has a chance to speak and that we're all contributing equally. How about we add a short sheet to demonstrate the impact of our solution?
They work together on refining their presentation.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks for being here today. We're excited to share some ideas about something that affects us all, climate change, but instead of just talking about the problem, we want to focus on what we can do right here to our school to make a real difference. We've all heard about melting glaciers and rising sea levels, but sometimes it feels like these problems are too big for us to tackle. So we're thinking what changes can we make in our own lives and in our own school that could actually have a positive impact. Over the next few minutes, we're going to show you what we've learned. Some surprising facts about our school's environmental footprint and some creative solutions we think could make a big difference. We hope you leave here today feeling inspired and empowered to join us in making our school a little greener.
Excellent work, everyone. I'm impressed with how you all applied the 4 C's. Everyone, your presentation was particularly outstanding. You demonstrated effective communication, seamless collaboration, critical thinking, and innovative creativity.
Thank you, Ms. Michelle. We learned so much from this project.
As that when we work together and use our strength, we can achieve great things.